Recommendations: offer products online. We can also market our products online for a bigger exposure to our business. Creating a Facebook page or putting our items on Facebook Marketplace could attract more consumers. More payment methods. Offering other payment methods like credit cards or monthly installment like home credit could help the business attract more consumers due to wide variety of payment methods. Decrease the stock of poor-performing products. In the absence of strong demand, slow-moving or inert product must be reduced to free up space to add more popular items. Increase stocks of high-performing products. Increasing the stock of high-performing products like Mountain Peak Ninja could help us to increase the profit of the business.